All right. Everybody who's watching this, fellow tacos from the Taco Society, I'm going to walk through at least one way. I might show you both ways of downloading an entire Kick VOD or past live stream from the new streaming platform Kick. All right. First of all, there are a couple links you're going to need. I'll put them in the description. The first of which is the link for JDownloader. You're going to want to come here, grab it for your platform. I'm on Windows. I clicked Windows, install it. Make sure to decline the extra piece of malware, or not malware, that bloatware, I guess you might call it, that is packaged with it as a money grab for the developers. All right. After that's done, you will get a window that looks like this pop up. It may ask you to install FF tools. Just hit install and hit OK until you're left with nothing but something like this, and it will more than likely not have anything in this list at all. Okay, so now that we got that, I'm going to move this to the side. We are going to go to a Kick channel, a good buddy of mine, and we are going to download, let's see here, how about we download his podcast where he interviews one of the many tacos in the Discord, right? I like to hit play on the video. I don't think you have to, but we're just going to go up here and copy that URL. Now you're going to go to this other link that'll be in the description below. The title of it says download a Kick clip. Inserting the URL that we just copied, so paste that in, Control V or right click paste, doesn't matter, does the same thing. And then hit go. Am I on the wrong one? Oh, I was on the wrong one. Sorry. Okay. You have to be on VOD M3U8 for this to work. I was over here on Clip Downloader. That's where you would be if you were downloading the video file for a clip. All right, kind of self-explanatory. But we want to download the VOD, so we're going to click VOD. Paste it there. Hit that. Now we're going to copy this. And we're going to come over here to JDownloader. And is this right? Did it already auto-grab? I think it did. Yeah. If it doesn't auto-load like this one seems to have done for me, hit this add new links at the bottom, then in this top box, so paste the link that we just copied, hit continue. Now these are different playlists for the different resolutions. Choose whichever one you want. Me, I always got to have good quality. We're going for the 1080, right? So we're going to right click on that and hit start downloads. And as the name implies, it is going to download the entirety of that stream. So we will just wait for this to finish. With a little bit of movie magic. We'll come back when it's done. All right, so we are back here. And it looks like it has finished. So we take a look at that. Let's go take a look at the output directory. We are left with a file here. It's an MP4 file, length of a little over an hour. That looks spot on to the interview he had with Wild. And here it is playing in VLC Player and ready to go into DaVinci or Adobe Premiere for whatever edits need to be done or to be uploaded to a different platform, whatever your heart desires. All right, there is another way. It's a little more involved. I will go over it very quickly. This M3U8 link is what we need, ultimately, right? But you can get it without having to copy the URL and go through this extra steps. And it's easy because all you have to do is right-click and hit Inspect, right? It's going to bring this up. We don't need any of the HTML. We want to go to network, right? Now watch this populate when I refresh the page we're inspecting. Look at that. If you need to search, see, I had this filtered out already, but if you need to just filter down to the parts that we need, click up here where it says filter and type M3U8. You'll be left with these. Always grab the master one, right? It's going to be this very first link right here. Select it all, right click, copy. Now we'll bring up JDownloader. We're going to go to link grabber. Add new links. Get rid of that one. Paste a new one. Look at that. They were exactly the same. Hit continue. Follow the rest of the process until you get the video that you want. Easy as pie. I don't know what else to tell you. If you'd run into any issues, I have a link to Kick's own help website. I'll leave it down in the description, outlining this very process and other ways to do this. You can follow this step by step to see if maybe you were just going too quick and missed something that I did. This is the process as defined by Kick themselves. So I don't find anything wrong with it. It's not like you're going to get bombarded with spam or asked to create an account that needs your credit card number and then all of a sudden all your money gets stolen. No, this is from a legitimate, reputable website. Okay, so that's that. This is my first tutorial video that I've ever done. If you liked it, please leave a like, share, subscribe, get this information out there to people who may not know it, but have a need for it. Because as of right now, this is a more involved way of getting VODs from your streaming platform, right? The better of the two between purple and green. But, I mean, it beats the shit out of having to be over on the purple band. All right, my name's Visions. If you'd like to see anything else, specifically anything to do with OBS Studio or DaVinci Resolve, leave it in the comments below. I will check up on them and do what I can to make it happen. I appreciate you all. Have a great day. Go grab some tacos.